Hello dear students, welcome back in your computer class. Today I am going to discuss rich portion of chapter 3, which is advanced features of Access 2013. In this video session I am going to discuss about report, what is report, how to create report, what are the views in report, and how to format reports. These all points will be discussed in this video session. Let's go. What is report? Reports are used to present data from tables or queries in a format that can be printed. Mean to say, report सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट और सबसे लास्ट एक्शन है किसी भी डेटाबेस के लिए। रिपोर्ट जनरेट करने का मतलब है कि आप इसे प्रिंटेबल फॉर्मेट में क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और ये प्रिंट होने के लिए रेडी है। आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग रिपोर्ट देयर इज़ नो नीड टू मेड एनी चेंजेस, और रिपोर्ट बनने के बाद आप इसमें कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते हैं। For example, printout of report card, invoices are the example of reports, and we cannot make any changes to the data in the report after creating it. There are many views in report. In general, there are four views of report. First one is report view, second one is print preview, third one is design view, and last one is layout view. First one is print view. Report view. Report view helps to view the data but can't make any changes in the design of report. Report view is only to view the data inside the report. We cannot change any design inside the report view section. Print preview, according to name, print preview is the view before printing any report. This view display the report as it will display after printing. ये बताता है कि आपका जो रिपोर्ट प्रिंट होगा वो कैसा होगा, किस तरह का वो दिखेगा। Design view is another view of report. In this view, we can design the structure of report and display the structure on computer screen. And in this view, we can add header and footer section. And last one view is layout view. This view helps you to change the controls elements like text box, labels, etc. size of these controls in layout view. Next one is how to create report. We should follow some steps to create report of any table or query. First one is click on the table or query for which you want to create report. सबसे पहले टेबल और क्वेरीज को क्लिक करना होगा, सिलेक्ट करना होगा। देन आफ्टर क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट टैब, क्रिएट टैब पे क्लिक करना है। देन आफ्टर क्लिक ऑन रिपोर्ट ऑप्शन इन द रिपोर्ट्स ग्रुप, रिपोर्ट ग्रुप में रिपोर्ट ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है, उस पर आप क्लिक कीजिएगा। द रिपोर्ट इज़ क्रिएटेड एंड ओपन्स इन द लेआउट व्यू। बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट जो रिपोर्ट है वो लेआउट व्यू में ही डिस्प्ले होते हैं। जैसे ही आप क्लिक करते हैं रिपोर्ट ऑप्शन पे, रिपोर्ट इज़ क्रिएटेड एंड डिस्प्ले ऑन योर स्क्रीन एंड 4 new tabs appear in the tab section like design tab, arrange tab, format and page setup. These all tabs appear after creating report. As you can see here, this figure show how to create report. And come to the step 5. Click on the save option in the quick access toolbar or the save option on the file tab to save the report. After creating it, you can save from quick access toolbar or either from file tab. These are the 4 tabs which appear after creating report in access window, as you can see here. And after that, how to format a report. After creating report, you should, or you can improve the appearance, you can design the report by different commands or option. Just like a form, you can format a report using the option on the design and format tab. By using options in design and format tab, you can design your reports. As you can see here, this is the designed report, formatted report. Come to the next one topic, which is printing reports. After creating report and designing them, you should print your report info. And if you want to take a print out of your report, you should follow some steps. And before printing your reports, you should view your report in print preview view option. In print preview view option, you can check your report is printed. And after viewing this, you follow some steps like step 1, click on down arrow under the view options in the view group on the home tab or the design tab. And after clicking on view option, a window is appear, a list is appear, from where you click on print preview option to check the view of your report. Then after, choose appropriate values for page size, margin, orientations from the ribbon to arrange report on the paper. And then after, finally click on print command to print the report. As you can see in this figure, this is a view options, and after clicking on view options, a list is open up. And from here, you choose print preview option to look your report before printing it. And after viewing all these things and arranging all setups of page, finally click on print option to take a print out of your report. As you can see in this figure, this is the last one figure which show how to take a printout of your report. And finally click on print option to take a printout of your report. That's all. Here this chapter has been completed. In the next video session, we will discuss next one chapter, which is chapter 4, images and lists in HTML. Thanks for watching.